Hey there, small business owners. Today, I'm diving into why accurate bookkeeping is an absolute game changer for your business. Now, I know bookkeeping might not be the most thrilling topic, but trust me, it's crucial for your success. First off, accurate bookkeeping ensures that you have a clear picture of your financial health. Imagine flying a plane without any instruments. Scary, right? That's what running a business without proper bookkeeping is like. When you keep your books up to date, you know exactly where your money's going and where it's coming from. This makes it easier to plan, budget, and make informed decisions. Another big win, tax season becomes way less stressful. With accurate records, you're not scrambling to find receipts or calculate expenses last minute. Everything is organized and ready to go, making the tax filing process smoother and less time-consuming. Plus, you're less likely to make costly mistakes or miss out on deductions. Accurate bookkeeping also helps you manage cash flow. You'll know when to expect incoming payments and when bills are due. This helps prevent overdrafts and ensures you have enough cash to cover expenses. It's all about keeping your business running smoothly and avoiding those nasty financial surprises. And here's another perk. It enhances your credibility. When your books are in order, you're more likely to get approved for loans and attract investors. It shows that you're serious about your business and that you have a handle on your finances. Banks and investors love that. Lastly, accurate bookkeeping can help you identify trends and opportunities. By regularly reviewing your financial data, you can spot patterns and make smarter business decisions. Maybe you notice a product that's consistently underperforming, or you find a service that's bringing in more revenue than expected. With this information, you can adjust your strategy and focus on what works best for your business. So there you have it. Accurate bookkeeping isn't just about keeping track of numbers. It's about gaining control of your business, reducing stress, and setting yourself up for success. Take the time to get your books in order, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Thanks for watching. And here's to taking your business to the next level. Catch you in the next video.